Dham shortly ahead of his visit to this temple complex. The area is being evacuated. Both devotees and journalists have been asked to go behind a certain cordon that's been laid for the Prime Minister. Ashutosh, this is standard operating procedure, is it? The manner in which now that area is being cleared to be sanitized and checked before the Prime Minister's visit, point one. And point two, it's the Rudrabhishek that the Prime Minister performs today in about 20 minutes from now at 8 this morning.
Around 8 to 8:05, the Rudrabhishek, the special prayer inside the temple, will begin, Gaurav. At the moment, as you rightly said, the security cordon off is being done here. The media has been evacuated from the temple premises and also the pilgrims. Now we are seeing the most of them are returning from the stretch, and now they are heading back to Gaurikund, Guptkashi and their respective destinations. Since the devotees have been now cleared, the first helipad that is here, we already see the security personnel deployed. All friskings have been done. Also, there's one bridge that is now made to connect Garun Chetty, that also is likely to be, the Prime Minister is likely to visit. We've just seen the Chinook that landed in the previous images. You saw a light vehicle arrived through that, most likely the Prime Minister, because also there is one motorable road has been made, so most likely Prime Minister will take a tour of all the development projects and the infrastructure projects here in the Kedarnath Valley through that vehicle. We just arrived from the Chinook helicopters. From that particular stretch from the temple premises, we are seeing the devotees are being now returned, because there are some chair arrangements have been made. This is for the Saint Initiates who are invited from Uttarakhand, and also those who are already living here at Kedarnath, because Prime Minister is also likely to address a gathering at around 10:30 a.m. this morning after the unveiling the statue of Shankaracharya and offering special prayer at Kedarnath temple. So that's the standard procedure, that's the SPG protocol. When the Prime Minister visiting, area has to be sanitized completely, and now devotees are returning. The media has also been asked to clear that particular stretch. When Prime Minister will address subsequently those...
These are the first images that are coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed at the Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun, received by the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, also the Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, the Governor of Uttarakhand. They have received Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Images just coming in of a short while back of Prime Minister Narendra Modi landing at the Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun, received by the Governor, Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, and the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. Of course, other senior ministers and former chief ministers of Uttarakhand, including Trivendra Singh Rawat, also there in these images. Ashutosh, coming back to you, Satpal Maharaj, he had said the Prime Minister's vision is finally being realized at Kedarnath. So bring us details, 2 phases of the redevelopment project of the Kedarpuri. Part 1 completed, Part 2 to be launched. Give us details of the Prime Minister's vision for Kedarnath, and he's been going there long before he even became a political leader. Not just the Prime Minister, his 5th visit as Prime Minister, but he's been going there for a very long time.
And then perhaps he has seen the difficulties that pilgrims have been facing, those who are visiting Kedarnath. Perhaps post-devastation, and when becoming a Prime Minister, that was the locals also, you heard from the priest Saint Sincere that saying that it is Prime Minister's pet project, that he has been personally monitoring the development and infrastructure project. Now, if I could take you, Gaurav, what has changed, what has transformed to know that we first given to understand that what was the calamity in 2013, the footprints of those devastations are still quite alive here. And then how it was almost an uphill task to build up the connectivity. For example, let me tell you, this is the stretch where I'm standing at the moment. This was the previous connectivity connecting from Guptkashi, Gaurikund, and then take you via Garun Chetty to the Kedarnath temple. Now, there was a small bridge that was swept away with the flash flood in 2013. Now you see a massive, huge bridge, a footover bridge has been built up over the Mandakini river. That will also be monitored by the Prime Minister, perhaps by the vehicle we saw just arrive from the Chinook helicopters. Now, besides that, there is also a motorable road has been connected from that bridge that takes you to the Lord Shankaracharya's statue behind the temple. So that's the connectivity. Now, other side, since this road was completely disrupted, that's a huge task, almost 20-kilometer track from Gaurikund, a completely new movable track with modern lights, facilities, LED flashlights, and also accommodations at multiple places. All these arrangements to felicitate the pilgrims. And there's a huge number that are coming from east, west, north, south, and also from all across the world. In first phases, most of these construction work you see in these images have been completed. In second phase, there are multiple be it in terms of accommodation, in terms of hospital, a police post, and several other facilities in the development. Because as you rightly said, this is also to boost the religious tourism, and given to know the project that also will be announced soon. This Kedarnath Holy Shrine could be, the epicenter of religious tourism, particularly in Uttarakhand. As we know, the government is trying to boost the religious tourism, connecting Char Dham, all-weather connectivity roads. This is going to really be significant. As far as the state government is concerned, perhaps the initiative taken by the Prime Minister, the state government will try to take it to the public. As we know, the Uttarakhand is going to be under the assembly poll within 3 months.
Yes.
The state government will also take this to the public that look, under the leadership of the Prime Minister, this is what we have done for the Holy Shrine. This is how we are boosting the religious tourism. We are also ensuring more economic activities in this part, and also all-weather connectivity road, which will also bring tourism and better economy for this hilly state, Gaurav.